How's it going, guys? Hey, we're back again for the Wednesday shave. Does this look okay? I've coddled something together. I'll explain it as I go through the shave. But anyway, as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. The brush, here it is. This is my Francois Bosset green emerald knot. I don't know if that's picking it up. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. Okay, razor, we'll get that sorted. Here it is. I got these TATARA blades. I got these TATARA razor. You'd not believe the number of people that messaged me thinking they were Tatra. No, the TATARA. The people that made the razor made the blades. So I want to try it. I'm going to try the TATARA masamune, and we're going to try it in one of their own blades. There you go. And now I like the Nadachi, but I've taken the Nadachi plates off. We've got the TATARA. I don't know if you can see it. It's stamped on the bottom there. I'll try and get it so the light catches it, but it does actually say masamune on there. And we'll get the TATARA razor blade. I'll stress that in the title of this video because a couple of people, well, more than a couple of people messaged me privately saying we thought they were Tatra. Thought it's a Tatra blade. No. So I want to make sure people understand I've got a TATARA razor and I want to use a TATARA blade instead razor. There you go. What does it say? TATARA platinum coated blades. There you go. I always like if a razor company makes their own blades or they recommend a blade, I always like to use that. I think because they suggested that that's the best combination, aren't they? So I'm gonna put that in there. The balm, Floyd. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Which means they're probably going to discontinue it. So at some point in the next week, I may just buy another couple of them and just leave them sat in there. This, if you like vetiver, it's a no-brainer. It's a really, really fragrant cologne type vetiver scent off this. Absolutely love it. The splash, check this out. Look. There's quite a lot in there. Can you see it? Crabtree&Evelyn. They sent me that a while ago. There is a fair bit in there. What is that? I'll bet you I think that's a good 15 mil. That's a big bottle. They sent me that in there because that's, look at the shaving soap, Tubetober, Crabtree&Evelyn. And we're going to lather that up in the Pereira bowl. Goodfellas style, Pereira style bowl. What we'll do, we'll get that in there. And I want to show you this. It's lovely. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but there's a lovely, beautiful, silky sheen to that. Oh, God, it smells. You know what it smells like, guys? It smells like black currant. It smells to me, there's a hint to me of eucalyptus in this. And that's what that is. So what we'll do, we'll lather up. I'm not liking this set, I'm going to have to try and sort this out. We'll lather up. We'll see how we go. And then we'll have a good shave. Put quite a bit of product in there. I think it's one of these, it's just going to need a lot of whipping. Well, we're getting there, aren't we? I don't really believe that you should have to work too hard to create a lather. There you go. Right, so it's quite light and bubbly. Now, I may need to put some more product in. We'll see. We'll see. I certainly don't need to put any more water in. So what? Oh! How are you all doing? Yeah, no, it's a bit light. It is a bit light, that, isn't it? Come on, what should we do? There you right out of the tube, right on the face. That should help it. It's very, very slick and it smells fantastic. I don't know if you can still get this stuff, guys. I had a look and I saw a couple of places and we said it was out of stock. Having a nightmare today. There you go. You see Crabtree&Evelyn on their website. Smooth shave, 125ml. Smooth over the stubble with ease. Have a soothing shave cream, coconut oil and blackcurrant seed oil. Cushion your razor, deliver a smooth feeling. Gently exfoliates the skin. Easy rinsing on contact with water. Apple extracts, hydrates and soothes. Earthy uplifting crabtree scent in an easy squeezable tube. It's not cheap, guys, and it doesn't seem to be doing very well, does it? Oh, let's have a look. This is why I don't like rushing. I got in a little later from work, finished work a little later than usual, and then I had to go and get the haircut, as you hadn't noticed. And then, the traffic was horrendous. I mean, I know you have to take care in the rain, but you don't have to see a raindrop and go home. You know, I think we should just keep it at 14 miles an hour, Elsie. You know what I mean? Which is what everybody in front of me seems to be doing. And of course, I'm driving quite a big van that nobody can see past, so they all think it's me. But anyway, I digress. We got in. We're having a good shave. The oven is on. The chicken is about to go into roast. I'm going to finish this shave. Then I'm going to have a shower. Come on. Oh! Get in there. Oh! Right, let's see how we did now with that. Yeah, well, it is very slick, but I don't know. I've used this once before. I'm going to have to go back and watch that video. I'm sure I don't remember this being this bad. Crabtree&Evelyn should be ashamed of yourself. This isn't cheap stuff. You know, I mean, it's £16 a tube. But relax, please all start passing on. You should know me better than that. I didn't pay £16 for it. This was a TK Maxx special. I think it was going for about £8. Which, even so, you know, you think get a tube of palm olive or boot shaving cream for £2. You know what I mean? I think they're doing what a lot of these big companies do. They're trading on the name without putting the effort in. Well, that's going to backfire, isn't it? Because tricks like that might work for a regular guy, but not those professional wet shavers. Oh, I tell you, here we go, come on. Third pass. I saw somebody on Mark Zaradi said, we can get it done in 2 passes. I'm not being funny, guys, right? I wish I could do 4. I wish we could do 5. Standing here and do passes galore. Do you know what I mean? I love shaving. I don't want to sit there and think of ways that I can get it done in less passes, you know? But it's each to their own. And as a matter of fact, I've got to do a 4-pass shave today. I'm going to do a complete 4-pass against the grain. These are good blades, guys. These are good blades. I don't know. I don't know if my boss watches these. He's a subscriber. I don't know whether he's just subscribed out of politeness or he actually watches them. But he came in work Monday morning. Morning, everybody. And I was like, morning. Right, he shaved, right? He shaved, and he shaved right all the way up to there. There's complete bald, and then his hair's like 3 times longer than mine, you know. This full head of hair and no sideburns up to there. Oh, and he said to me, he went, I know, just don't. I said, I won't mention it, Gary. I won't mention it. I'm going to do leather mittens, because I like my leather mittens. Well, we did okay, didn't we? What we're going to do. I'm going to do. There. Come on. Johnny's 4-pass shaving emporium. Oh, here we go. So let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know what you think about today's product. Let me know what you think about 1 pass, 2 pass, 3 pass, 4 pass, impasse. I mean, this is brilliant, isn't it? No matter how bad your day's been, you come home and you shave it all away. You can just shave it all away. So I have my hair cut and my shave. Once this is grown in a little bit longer, I'll get the line better on them. But I'm going to have a shower in about 5 minutes and let that lovely fresh warm water run all the way down my face. Oh, and that's us. That's our Tatara Razor Blade, Masamune, Crabtree&Evelyn, plop lather shave. Oh, here we go. I need to sort this out. We did okay. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with that. I'm gonna have to sort this out. But there you go. Here we go. Crabtree&Evelyn, you ready? My 10 squirts. Look at that. Good. More now. Yeah, that's apple. That's apple forward. So it's apple and blackcurrant. So it is very much like you, Chris. How's it going to go with this? I tell you how it's going to go with this, guys. It's going to go fantastic with this. Because this aftershave balm goes fantastic with everything. It's good stuff and it's rapidly becoming one of my favourites. Well, it's not rapidly, it's already there, one of my favourites. Oh yeah. Didn't I tell you? Did I say that I was going to go with? Okay. Look at that. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Hacked off about this setup, but the problem I've got, I said I'd explain this, the problem I've got is the bathroom window is about 4 foot across and it's about 4.5. It's really quite low. The windowsill now, I mean, I'm not a big guy, I'm only like 6'6". No, the windowsill is low. It's lower than my waist. It's very low. I mean, if I have, my hands are just about reaching the sink. No, it's very low. And the window's low and the window's wide, so there's nothing to hang anywhere. I've had to get suction cups and try and put a shelf on the mirror to try and hold this up, so we'll get it sorted for next time. Oh yes, the Saturday shave. The Saturday shave's going to go up about 12 hours later than normal because it's the 500th anniversary. I'm going to have a luxury shave and I'm going to have it on Saturday morning, chilled out, nice and fresh. Cup of coffee. Come in here and we'll have a shave and a chat. Look after yourselves. More importantly, look after each other. The world is a hard place. Don't be ashamed to be a softie. Look after yourselves, guys, and I'll see you on Saturday. Bye.